G'day. We had one of those little leaks in our caravan, and so we purchased the VersEseal product to see if we'd fix the leak. There's a little bit involved. The black stuff, the first coat you have to do is the repair, lay one coat down, then put some stuff on and do that. That was pretty messy. Let's go and have a look at what we need. We got the large kit, which you get one of those big tins and two of these little tins, a couple of paintbrushes and a roller. So the only thing I don't give you is obviously a roller tray. So you need a roller tray to get it done. You need one of these mixers because you've got to mix it up. We mixed the black stuff for about 5 minutes and this other stuff for about 5 minutes as well. Didn't really seem to change consistency, but anyway, we just did it regardless. The stuff washes out in water, so it was quite easy to clean up. So when you have to repair, you have to put one coat of the black stuff, then you put a layer of this stuff down. I just found some disposable gloves. Was the best idea. Just use those and smooth it out with your hands. I tried to use a spatula and that just seemed to be crap, so it's just best if you smooth it out with your hands. Takes a bit of time and it's bloody messy, so whatever clothes you're going to wear, you either wear a disposable thing or, like me, just wore some old clothes. That's probably the best idea. We used some scaffolding and we have a bailey ladder in between, and then we just walked, just did one side of the van. So Tracy's up there now. We're doing the final coat. So what we did was we did one coat of the seams and around all the hatches and everything for starters, and then put the cloth down, then put another coat over that. We waited for that dry, I think it was about 4 to 6 hours. And then we put a third coat on that because we didn't need to do the whole roof because it wasn't too bad. If it's really bad, you've got to do the whole roof. That'd have been a nightmare considering how much stuff's on the roof. And then we did 2 coats of the white, 4 hours in between. And we're thinking that we need to do a third coat of white because you can still see the black coming through. So Tracy's taping up now for the third coat. As you can see, it's a bit of a pain in the butt when you've got a whole heap of stuff in the way. It doesn't make it very easy to paint it, but it's come up pretty well. And you can still see the black here seeping through because this has only had the 2 coats. So we're going to put the third coat on there and hopefully that fixes it all up. When we were actually cleaning it up, we did see a couple of little holes on the other side, just in the seam line, just down in here. The funny thing is, it's actually leaking on this side, down the back. So it seems to be a long way away from where the leak is. But on this side, where we've got a little drip, we couldn't find anything wrong. So let's hope that we've got it. So you can just see with this tape here, when we did the black tape, we just moved it in a little bit. So when the white tape come out, we just moved the tape out a little bit more to make sure we covered all the black up. So you can see that the tape's just gone in a little bit further to make sure to cover all the black. You can just see the black line seeping through here. Hopefully the third coat should cover all that up. And then, hopefully, with luck, the leak's gone.